Hello, welcome to Spy Money. Last night I ran a bot overnight, and I don't recommend this for anybody. I don't recommend running any bot unattended, so I want to make that clear. But I ran it to see how it would do in the chop. It's only one contract. The goal is to hit $500, which is half of $1,000 on your trade. And I'm going to show you the trades and so forth, let you make the decision of what you think should be and so forth. And this is the options bot. It is by far the best indicator and bot that I have, in my opinion. Now, most people in our group are running this. They're making money. They're hitting their goals. They're not only trading with the bot, they're actually trading manually with it as well. Manually, it will make a little bit more money because there's some entries that it will take that the bot will not do. I'm going to revamp the bot to make it enter those trades as well to try to get more trades quicker. But I ran this, as you can see, from about 10 p.m. last night, so about 4 hours after the session opens when I turned it on. Now it made money like before. So if we started at right here was the open, there would be a trade here, a trade there, a trade here, a trade there, several trades through here. So there's more money. I mean, it would have made the $500 goal well before this. The first trade was a loser, and the second trade was a winner. Third was a loser, and this was a loser. Then we had a winner. So last night was very choppy. So in my opinion, being very choppy like that, it did a great job, and it actually hit the goal that we needed on it. So every green signal is going to be a long, every red is going to be a short, and it did very well. It kept you out of some of the chop that was in there, and I'm actually working on something else that will help keep it out of the chop even more so than what it is right now. And when I add that feature, I think that's going to be the icing on the cake. But I always am looking for the newest and best. Some people will ask me, well, if you have something working really good, why do you keep going? Well, the reason I do is because I'm looking for the most consistent strategy that we can have. And, I will continue to keep on doing this. It's not something, that I'm not a complacent person. I'm always looking for better. And as long as I'm looking for better, it actually helps our users because the better strategies I find, the better the users will be at making money. So on this one, it made $589.76. That's after commissions. And it did very well. I mean, you can see right here, if you just turned it on this morning, at say, around 6 o'clock in the morning, here's 150. Actually, I think that's 150. Let's see what it has here. I don't even know where it is. 125. So there's 125, there's 250, there's 375, and there is 500. So if you just turned it on at 6 this morning and run it, you would already be done for the day, hitting your 50% goal. I let it run overnight because I wanted to see how it would handle different areas of the market. And I knew last night was going to be a lot of chop, mainly because we have FOMC on Wednesday. So usually 2 days, the 2 days before FOMC, we will have chop. It'll have some little swings back and forth, but it'll usually stay overall in a range. It'll usually just go sideways, but it's the way it moves, and that's pretty typical. But I wanted to show you how the bot did last night. And Friday, a bunch of people traded this and hit their goals. Last night, someone was trading NQ and GC on this bot, and this, pretty much the same settings. The GC we run on a 10 SPY money bar. On NQ at night, we usually run a 15 and a 20 during the day. And those are things that we discuss and you learn in the group. But she made $1,152, I think it was, on. So she hit her goal, $500 on each one. She said they were about 50-50. She did that and was done by, I don't know, maybe 10 o'clock last night or so. She was done. So she's not even trading today, I don't think, because she hit her daily goal. She might trade today, I don't know. But the option bot does a really good job. We have a lot of new features coming out with our chart trader. We've got a lot of features coming in with the chart trader and the options bot. I am going to go ahead and add one more thing that will, actually two more things. One, to help with more entries, and two is how to make it stay out of chop. So we'll have that probably this week, and we got to do some testing on it. But here's how you join. You go to SpyMoneyLSE.com. You go to the Ninja Suite right up here. Just click on this tab. When you click on that, there's one thing you have to do, and that is, if you follow this video, it'll teach you. But you have to agree to these terms. So if you just left click up here, copy, right click, or copy there, and then once you do that, you want to go up here to contact us, and you want to go to the message and paste it. And once by doing this, you're agreeing to those terms. So I want you to make sure you read those and don't just copy and paste. I want you to read it because there's a lot of information here that you need to know about. And I want you to do this so that you have no high expectations of something that maybe you think it's going to do. And also down here, it shows you get all the bots that we have available. I changed these. I took out some of them because they weren't consistent enough. So the bots would change from time to time, and as I create new ones to trade better and so forth, we'll add those. We also have a lot of indicators. I think we've got around 120 products altogether, and of all those products, it's up to you to decide which one you want. We do have videos explaining the different things, and we also have different strategies where we put different things together and work. So some people may work better on one strategy over the other. So that's why you need more than one. Some people just can't do one strategy, but the other one, they can just kill it. So that's what we do. Add-ons and drawing tools. We have a lot of different things. The trade copier, toolbars. There's all kinds of things that we have in our Ninja Suite. Read through these questions. This will answer the majority of all your questions. If it is not answered here, send me a contact, ask me, be more than happy to help you. We want to make sure everybody's happy, and I think if you come into this reading all this and understanding it, it will make your journey with the Ninja Suite a lot more prosperous and help you understand. The biggest thing is a lot of people think they're going to get a bot, just turn it on and walk away and make all kinds of money, and that's not true. That's not true with any company. You need to be there to manage that bot. Now, if you're doing something else, if you're doing work or whichever, that's one thing, but you need to have a separate monitor to where you can watch that bot and when it enters a trade, be able to manage it. That's the main thing. You don't really want to turn a bot on and let it run, although I did last night. It is not something that you necessarily want to do because anything can happen. You could lose your account. There's ways that you can put safety precautions in there, even through NinjaTrader, and that will help, but I do not recommend doing that. So follow my advice, not as I do, I guess is what I would say. Funded accounts, if you don't have the money for an account to put in there, which is not that much money, if you can start off with $3,000 or $4,000 on trading one NQ, you're usually fine. But if you want to trade larger or you don't have that extra money, then you can do these funded accounts here. These are the ones I recommend. These three are probably the ones I recommend the best. BluSky is the only one that has a live trading account. So once you pass your evaluation, you go into another test, and then once you hit your goal again, you go to a real live trading account. It is advantageous of BluSky that you pass and get a live trading account because they truly make a percentage of what you make. Apex is like an insurance company, so they're paying you off of everybody's resets and all of that. So it's advantageous for them that if you don't pass, because they keep making more money. Same with Take Profit. I'm not sure about UProfit. I think that they are that way, but I'm not 100%. They may go to live, but I'm not sure about that. But the BluSky I know does that. But all of these are good. They all pay out. all 4 of them will pay out. They've just got different rules that you have to follow. If you come down here, there's some discount coupons. These percentages change daily almost, it seems like. Like Apex right now is 80% in a 1-day pass. So just click on that, use that coupon. You will get the best deal that is out there. So you don't have to worry about trying to find a different promotion or whichever, because you will get a good price on it. Also, VPS, we offer this link here. It goes to a third-party company. We used to have VPS, but it was too hard to keep up with. And this company does it a lot better than I did. So I shut mine down and just refer people to these people. They do a great job. The one I recommend is this medium. That's all you need. You can do more, but this is all you need. And that will help you out. Again, go to the Ninja Suite. As soon as you fill this out, send this to me. Then I'll send you a link to where you can go ahead and get joined. Once you get joined, a lot of people ask, well, how quick can I get started? Well, your machine IDs here is automated, and then you have your download files here, and then you have instructions to how to install and so forth. You also have instructions to how to use the bots and the all the indicators and drawing tools and all that. We have a lot of extra stuff in there that will help you out, and I think that once you do this, most people, for the most part, most people stay. We do have some people that would join and just can't do it. Not everybody's a trader. If you can't do it after watching these videos and following the instructions on here, I think that it's probably going to be hard pressed for you to even be a trader, because the rules are pretty simple. We have trading rules. As long as you follow those, and I think you'll do fine. The options bot, like I said right here, the options bot still has not entered the trade here. It is on pause, but if I took the pause off, and if this turned green, one of these bars here turned green, it would enter a long. So, but if you have any questions or anything, let me know. I'll be happy to help you. I'd like to get you started on this. The number of leases is going to be limited. I'm going to shut it off as soon as I get a number. I shut it off last December, and I just recently reopened it. And the reason I reopened it is because I've got people in the group. They're pretty well trained, and it's not taking much time. And so I'm going to let some more people in, and I just can't be overwhelmed with too many people. So what I do is allow enough people in there where I can maintain it and everybody do well. I'm not looking to be huge. I don't want thousands of users in here. That's not my goal. My goal is to keep a small amount of people so that we can actually know each other and be able to help each other, and everybody help each other as well. It's kind of like a little family, and I want to keep it that way. Um, we don't allow people that are causing trouble to stay in. I get rid of them. We don't want the drama. We don't need all the silliness and all that. And when people act like that, I just get rid of them. Don't renew the lease. So just come in, behave, treat everybody with respect, and learn how to trade, and we all make money. You guys have a great day. Any questions, let me know.